Right guys, long time no post. I think it's been probably about a year and a half, 2 years since I posted anything. So I've been slacking big time, but I've just been so busy with work and everything. But I have taken this January off, so I've been away, a nice little break, and I got a couple of bits done. And I've actually gone and got some signage for my van. So I wasn't going to get signage because I didn't want to attract attention. I didn't want, if I park my van up somewhere, I didn't want it to get broken into, basically. But I wanted to look more professional at the same time, so I started getting van magnets, putting the magnets on the van. But over time in the summer and all the weather, they get a bit tatty on and off when you pull on and off all the time. So I saw, I think it was Rob Maxwell's grass cutting services channel. He bought a new van wrap, which I thought looked really good. So I thought I'd look into it myself, because I thought my van's 20 years old, you see, and I thought I don't want to spend £2 on a full van wrap in case my van finally decides to pack in, but I do want to look more professional. So I thought about it for a little bit and I thought, I'll just bite the bullet and get. So what I've done is I've got the not the whole van wrap, but I've got the actual, it's called the recesses in the side of the van and the back. I've got those just vinyled instead in gloss. So I'll show you in a second, and you let me know what you think in the comments. And also, I like to guess how much I paid to get the van signed. So I also like to know how much you guys paid as well, and if you think it's worth it, or is it attracting unwanted attention. But I think it does look more professional. Just let me know what you think anyway in the comments. So yeah, what did you think? I don't think it looks too bad, actually, looking back on that video. It takes me a little bit to get used to, because I don't usually like it being big and out there, but I don't even need the customers either, because I'm absolutely rammed. But I just wanted to look more professional. So yeah, so the total cost was £351, which, to be fair, I don't think it's too bad, because I was paying about £80 for the magnets, and they went all tatty, so I had to buy a new set of magnets, and that's £160 already. So I think for something like that, for £351, I think it's worth it, personally. Otherwise I wouldn't have paid it, obviously. What happened there? I seems to have went off. Yeah, so like I was saying, I think it's perfectly reasonable. Please leave your thoughts in the comments and let me know what you think. Cheers.